The Plymouth Road Runner, introduced in 1968, became an icon of the American muscle car era by offering raw performance at an affordable price. Designed by Plymouth, a division of Chrysler, the Road Runner targeted young buyers who wanted speed without unnecessary luxury. The first generation, from 1968 to 1970, was based on the B-body platform and featured a minimalist interior, aggressive styling, and powerful engine choices, including the standard 383 cubic inch V8, the optional 446 pack, and the legendary 426 Hemi. The car's unique beep-beep horn, inspired by the cartoon character Road Runner, added a playful touch to its otherwise aggressive personality. The 1969 and 1970 models brought slight styling changes, such as updated grilles, tail lamps, and hood designs, while still focusing on performance and affordability, making the Road Runner a sales success and Motor Trend's Car of the Year in 1969. In 1971, the second-generation Plymouth Road Runner arrived with a complete redesign featuring more rounded, fuselage-style body lines to meet new safety and styling trends. This era still offered powerful engines like the 383, 400, 440, and the 426 Hemi, but increasing insurance rates and new emissions regulations began to impact performance. The 1971 model year was the last to offer the Hemi, and subsequent years saw a gradual reduction in horsepower due to stricter environmental laws. By 1973, styling updates included a new grille and bumper design to comply with federal crash standards. Although performance was declining compared to the late 60s, the Road Runner retained its reputation as a stylish, performance-oriented coupe that appealed to loyal Mopar fans. The third generation, from 1975 to 1980, marked a major shift for the Road Runner as it moved to the Chrysler B-body platform shared with the Fury. This change reflected the muscle car market's struggle during the mid-1970s due to rising fuel prices, insurance costs, and stricter emissions regulations. The styling became larger and heavier, with more emphasis on comfort and available luxury features. Engine options included the 318, 360, 400, and 440 cubic inch V8s, with performance continuing to decline due to lower compression ratios and emissions equipment. The 440 remained the top performance option, but it was no longer the fire-breathing powerhouse of the late 60s. By 1976, the Road Runner was available as an appearance package on the Plymouth Volare, further signaling its move away from the pure muscle car formula that had made it famous. By the end of its run in 1980, the Plymouth Road Runner had evolved from a bare-bones street racer to a more comfort-oriented performance coupe. While the later models lacked the raw power and aggressive spirit of the original, the Road Runner remained a cultural icon and a symbol of the golden age of American muscle cars. Today, first-generation Road Runners, especially those equipped with the 426 Hemi or 446 pack,